Right, Mondeo tdci injector removal, 17mm spanner. Basically undo the injector feed pipes. Sorry about the camera work, I've got to do this one-handed. Right, and then just, you'd lift that back off slightly. I'm breaking this one, so I can be a little bit more rougher on that. Just pull that back, and then you're left with this. So what we do now is these are plastic little clips, the leak off pipes. You have to be careful with these. What you want to try and do is pull that back a bit so as that can come out. I'll try and show you this one if it'll work. Right. On the back, no, not quite. But what I do is hold that back tab there with a screwdriver, and you'll see it ping open, and then you just pull it off. So easy, but you have to go gentle because they have got a habit of snapping, especially on the older ones. Get a bit brittle. And obviously just remove the electrics, and then there's a little cap to stop all the crud getting down there. Prise that off with a screwdriver, and then just lift that out of the way. Right, and you're left with the injector then. What we've got here is a 21mm injector removal socket. Most manufacturers do these. 21mm long socket will get the injectors out, but the window is for if you're refitting them. So as you know, when you lined up straight, because obviously the top of the injector moves, you can rotate the top of the injector. There's this actual sleeve. There's the bit that bolts in. I'll show you when we get it out. Right. Just need to be the most cack-handed person on earth trying to do this. Anyway, right. So then, what you're left with is this. I think that's a separate collar that does up while you can hold the main injector straight, so you can line it up. That's your leak off bit, that's the electronics, and that's the bit that does up the 21mm bit. And that's pretty much what you're left with. It's not in bad shape. And you've got your little barcode here. Be careful if you're rubbing it off or something, because that's the code. Code's on there for if you want to refit them to another car or something. Alright, it doesn't want to focus because it doesn't. There. No, don't play ball then. Be like that. Obviously you don't want to try to scrub them off, because you scrub them off, the numbers come off with them. You don't really want to do that. But that's about